In this video, I'll show you how to completely uninstall LMstudio from your Mac and free up a ton of storage space from those downloaded model files. First off, even if you haven't opened LMstudio recently, you might still get an error message when trying to delete it. That's because there are usually background processes still running. So the first method to fix this is by using Activity Monitor. Just go to the CPU tab and search for LMstudio. You'll see the active processes running. Just double-click them and hit Quit. Alternatively, you can use the terminal. Just run this specific command to kill all running LMstudio processes at once. If you check back in Activity Monitor, you'll see they're completely shut down. Now, you can safely head over to your Applications folder and just delete the LMstudio app. Next, we need to clean up the leftover files. If you use an uninstaller app like App Cleaner, it will automatically find those hidden files, folders, and config files for you. If you're interested in that app, check out the installation guide I've linked in the description. But if you prefer doing it manually, open a Finder window and press Command-Shift-G. Then, copy the file paths I provided in the description, paste them right into this box, and delete those files manually. Here is a really important note. You need to go to your Home folder. Click on Go in the top menu bar, then select Home. If your hidden files aren't showing up here, just press Command-Shift-. Now you'll see a hidden folder for LMstudio. If you check its size, it's actually massive because this is exactly where all your downloaded models are stored. Just go ahead and delete this entire folder to free up all that storage space. Alright, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.